So you're ready to start your own animated PowerPoint. First thing you're going to need to do is get pictures of your school or wherever you want it to be of. So what I have here is a file or folder of all the pictures that I've taken of Lowell School a few years ago. I've uploaded them from my phone to the Google Drive using my Google Drive app, and it makes it super easy so you don't have to deal about emailing and downloading it onto your Google Drive. So then what you're going to need to do is download it to your computer so that PowerPoint can access it, because I haven't had any success with just going straight from Google Drive to PowerPoint. Maybe there is a way, but I'm not sure of what it is. So what I need to do is download all of them. So I click on my first one and I click Control A, and that'll highlight all the ones, and you'll see a little blue on there. And then I want to right click, and then I want to say download. When it downloads, it's going to show in a file that looks like this. To access it better, I found that saving it to your desktop is just the quickest and easiest way to get to it from PowerPoint. So I highly suggest that. Otherwise, you would have to go into your download sections, and there could be a whole bunch of, it might be very unorganized in there. So that would be my suggestion. And then when you are adding it to your presentation, so let's add a new slide here just so you can see how it goes just one more time. And again, you want to just delete all those text boxes out of there just to make it look a little bit more clean. And I want to add a background. So I'm going to right click, format background, and this is going to come up. And you'll see that there's a few options. You want to click on picture. A picture will show up, but it won't stay there. And you want to go to file. And when you go to file, it's probably going to show the downloads, and there might be a whole bunch of pictures in there. Maybe they're right there. I'm not sure how yours is set up. But I would then, for me, all I would simply need to do is click on desktop, slide down to the correct folder, and then I would have all of them right there. I can pick and choose which one I'd like to add for that individual slide. And then it would take a minute or so because of the resolution, and then you're all set with having the background of your school.